everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing 24/7. In this video, we will be learning how to invite friends on PicsArt. To invite friends on PicsArt, first of all, make sure that you have updated the PicsArt application to the latest version. Go ahead and open up your App Store or your Play Store and search for PicsArt in the search box. If you see an update button within the application interface, click on Update and wait for the application to download to the latest version. After downloading the latest version of PicsArt, launch the app open. After launching open the PicsArt application, from the main home page, click on the human icon at the bottom right-hand corner. This will take you to your profile page, from where you will need to tap on the plus human icon at the top right. Now, click on Invite Friends and choose your invitation method. PicsArt offers various methods to invite friends, such as sending invites via email, SMS, or WhatsApp. Select any one option that is comfortable with you and click on OK to allow access to your contact for PicsArt. Follow through the instructions and choose the contact that you are trying to send the invite to and tap on their name and click on the next button, and you will be able to see an automated text link typed into your recipient. Click on the send button and you will be able to send an invite link for PicsArt. Once you've sent the invitation, your friend can join PicsArt using the link or code you provided. So that is how you can easily invite friends on PicsArt. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.